What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex XL. Today we will talk about demand zone in a pro trend and in reversal. What is demand zone? A demand zone is the area of consolidation that comes before an impulsive move towards the upside, where there is a bullish price action. So usually we see a demand zone in an uptrend. When we say that a market is in an uptrend, you will see a price like this. This is usually we call it high. Let me put it that. So this is high price, and so we see a higher high, where this is called a higher high because the price is higher than the previous high. That's why it's in a higher high. So it calls a higher low because the price of this one is higher than the previous low. So when we see a market like this, it is called an uptrend. So the demand is created when the price breaks the previous high. So as we can see here, this one. So we usually used to say this is a break of structure, because this is the break that broke the previous high. That's why we call it a break of structure. So a demand zone is created somewhere in this price range, or it is usually the last down candle that caused the break. So I would have this example here. So as you can see here in our chart, the market here is ranging. When we say ranging, there's no direction at all. So as you notice, this move swept all the liquidity below this range or below this equal low. And then the market makes this move like this, right? So um when we say that a demand is created after the break, as you can see here, the the price broke the previous high where a demand is created right here, right? But the price didn't came back here at this zone. Instead, it made another break of structure to the upside, like this one. And when you notice here at this level or at this zone where there is a this one, there's a candle here or last down candle that caused the break, which means it causes the brown to come down and then go upside and break this previous structure. So as you can see, the price respected this area, go at this point, go at this zone. You can see this. And then price have this bullish move, which again breaks another structure or breaks the previous high. So as you can see, it's in approach trend structure. So the other type of demand zone that you can see a demand. So in this area, you can see this again, a break of structure. And again, this down candle caused the break. So sometimes it is, not necessary price will come back on that, just like this one. But it is significant to see the price or how the price is acting in that zone. So when we try to look at this zone, let's go on the 5-minute time frame because we recommend to, check the confirmations at lower time frames. So as you can see here, there's bullish move when the price touches the zone, this one, it has this move, bullish. So you can try to look some demand that is created here at the lower time frame. So that is recommended to, to avoid losses, just to confirm that it is still in an uptrend. So going back in 1 hour. So as you can see here, the price go up and then it's making a trend that is in upside. So this is an example of a pro trend for a demand zone. So I would like to share with you guys some of the students stories. So here in our testimonials, some students shared this uh winning trade where it's like on our example, it is an approach trend because when he sees this down candle, there's a um significant move on that one because it left a lot of imbalance. So after this liquidity, the price has this come back on that zone where this one, the down candle, is very significant, where it respected this zone and then push the price to the upside. So if you like to know about it, you can check out our course, or you can have a one-on-one mentorship with us. And of course, if you wanted to check out, you can follow us in our Instagram so that you could have a free educational contents. So that's it, guys. This is the example of a demand zone. Hope that you learn about on seeing a demand zone in a pro trend. It is recommended to watch it not just once, but many times. Um, I hope that you will learn something on this. It's something like you can use in your daily trading, and we advise that you will try to back this somehow, and put some notes in your charts. So that's it, guys. Thank you.